Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do the lady spin tease. This is a sabotage off a lady spin, and it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So all you're happening to do here, ladies, is you go round for a spin. As your hand is coming around and the guy's about to catch it, you're going to take it away, and you're going to go around a second time. So you're going to spin twice over 2 counts. You're going to offer it on the second rotation. The guy catches it, you finish it as usual. The idea is here, if we do this slowly, that you wait until the guy's almost at your hand and then you take it away so he gets air. Okay, so it's a little bit of a tease, and some guys will try and catch the hand earlier rather than later, which means you're going to have to adjust a little bit according to the fella. If you're dancing with the kind of fella who lets you go all the way round and waits for you to stop and then takes your hand, not ideal, I know, it's not how it's meant to happen, then obviously you're not really going to be able to do this. It's not going to have that same feel. Okay, so let's do this slow with numbers. We go back. 1, prep, 2, spin, 3, take the hand away, round again 4, this time we catch 5, returning 6, and back 7. So let's do it to a count. Here we go. 5, a 6, a lady spin, tease. We go a back, prep, spin, and again, catch, return, and back. And remember, ladies, you are waiting for him to take your hand, really. Notice I didn't take Karen's hand that time because I obviously know it's coming, and it doesn't have the same impact if the guy hasn't gone for the hand. So fellas, remember to go for the hand even if you're fairly certain that the lady's going to take it away. Hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another intermediate modern jive clip, and remember, like, subscribe and hit the bell and you'll know every time a new video comes out. There'll be a music recommendation on the end, and we'll see you next time.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.